Welcome back to another video. All right, take a look. The walkway is officially finished. Take a nice little stroll. Got the rocks in, got the edging in. Nice little walk. Long walk, strolling on the walkway to the end. All right, let's keep on going to the ADU over here. This is where we're gonna pull in the driveway. Here's the little yard. The grass is coming in patchy. So what I did was add some more topsoil and put on some more grass seeds to get those patches filled in. Yeah. All right, let's go in here. Walk back this way. And this is the side of the ADU by the fence here. As you can see, I put down some weed barrier. I still gotta get some more over here. What I'm gonna do is put in some rocks for low maintenance. I'm all about low maintenance. I don't like cutting grass too much, so that's why I got small lawns. And if I'm gonna be cutting the grass, I wanna make sure it's low maintenance. I won't have to cut back here when the grass grows in the summertime. It'll be all rocks, easy. I don't wanna be back here squeezed up trying to cut the grass and thing. All right, so that's done. Got our patchy grass coming in. Lock this in. Go back to here. Walkway. And then what we got going over here? Still leveling off the yard. All this mud right here. I'm still digging out all of this. You can see I already start digging it out to level it off. They backfilled it and put in way too much dirt. So I'm digging it out to try and level it off. Get a better look back here. I still gotta cut off that much. Get rid of that. This one I wanna keep it a little bit high. I'm gonna slope it down. Damn, my hands are dry out, yo. So I'm gonna keep this a little bit high, slope it down. And put some rocks back here too. Maybe put some plants along the side of the house. You know what I mean? So next move, get this leveled off. And after I get that leveled off, right here at the end of the walkway, there's gonna be a privacy fence. I'm putting a privacy fence from here to here. Then there's gonna be a little gate to go through there. All right? So that's just a little quick update of where we are in the project right now. Stay tuned for what's coming up next. All right, I'll check you in the next one.